We are coming to Auntie's home. Anna, do you like her?
Yeah.
She's cute. But actually, I don't know she's girl or boy.
Oh, okay.
Normally, I call her girl. Sometimes call her boy.
It looks like a girl.
It looks like a girl, yeah. Would you like to see something? No.
No.
No? It's okay.
Do eat.
Tell her what's this.
This is a walnut. This is a little sunflower seed.
Yeah. No? A little bit closer. Yeah. Okay. Closer. Yeah. Don't worry about it. I just feel in your hand. She's like it. Oh, she wants to clean up your hand.
Okay.
She's beautiful, right? And but she's a baby now.
Okay.
And getting bigger, maybe 1 year. And
Stop biting my
her or
fingers.
change to the red color like
Oh,
this.
okay. She wants to bite my fingers.
No, she just play. Don't worry about it. Yeah. She wants stand your hand. Okay, look.
Come on. Do you want to come? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here.
She heard some noise
What is it?
outside. Yeah.
Come on.